Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your customer engagement with Delta Airlines, full guide step by step clearly. To recover your customer engagement with Delta Airlines, start by assessing the current state of engagement. Analyze customer feedback and interactions across various channels. Identify specific areas where engagement is lacking. Next, develop a clear communication strategy. Outline the key messages you want to convey to your customers. Choose appropriate platforms for reaching out, such as email, social media, or the Delta website. Create engaging content that resonates with your audience. Incorporate storytelling to make the communication more relatable and personal. Ensure that your content emphasizes Delta's commitment to customer satisfaction and service quality. Use regular updates to keep customers informed about new policies and services. Consider implementing personalized communication. Utilize customer data to tailor messages based on preferences and previous interactions. Encourage feedback and make it easy for customers to share their thoughts. Establish a dedicated team to address customer inquiries and concerns promptly. Monitor response times and ensure that they align with industry standards. Host virtual events, such as Q&A sessions, to foster direct interaction with customers. Promote loyalty programs effectively to increase engagement and reward loyal customers. Leverage social media by creating interactive posts and polls. Share behind-the-scenes content to build a sense of community and trust. Regularly analyze engagement metrics to measure success. Adjust strategies based on data insights to continuously improve engagement. Show consistent and genuine appreciation for your customers' loyalty and feedback. Lastly, follow up with customers to ensure their issues have been resolved satisfactorily. By implementing these steps, you can effectively recover and enhance customer engagement with Delta Airlines. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.